first of all, I want to break down what is chatgtp, okay? And how can it help your real estate business? So chatgtp is a large language model trained on a massive trove of information to create its responses. So it's a part of AI, artificial intelligence, okay? It comes from the same company behind Dale .e/e. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you can Google it, DALL-E, which generates a seemingly limitless range of images in response to prompts from users. It's also the next iteration of text generator of GTP. Again, if I'm getting a little bit too technical, just Google it, okay? So one of the particular members that wrote this article, they shared that after signing up for ChatGTP, users can ask the AI, which is artificial intelligence system, to field a range of questions. And that's what I'm about to do. And what happens is that it will generate a response or information or whatever it is that you ask. It's absolutely nuts. So one of the ways that ChatGTP can help you in your real estate business, not only to save you time, but money. One is write listing descriptions. This is just one. Another one that I'm going to talk about also is creating blog posts. So, which is important if you have a website, and it helps with the SEO, and also topic ideas and scripts for reels, um, for your videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. And also, you can create scripts or generate topic ideas and scripts for your long form content on YouTube. It's crazy. So, we're going to start with listing description. All right. So let's take a look at this. I'm in here now. Hopefully it'll work. I have it up. I think they still have some bugs or whatever to work out. But let's just say I'm having a hard time with the listing description for a property, a new listing that I have, right? So what I can do, I can type in here, create a listing description for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home located in the Oak Lawn area in Dallas, Texas. Add a few features such as close to shopping areas, nice schools, and parks. Let's see what it generates. So with the click of a button, there you have it. It says this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home is located in the desirable Oak Lawn area of Dallas, Texas. Enjoy the convenience of being close to shopping areas while also being in close proximity to some of the best schools and parks in the city. This home boasts spacious rooms, a modern kitchen, and a large backyard, perfect for entertaining. Don't miss your chance to make this house your home. Schedule a showing today. Boom! Right? So now I can take this and be like, okay, this is pretty cool. You can use it or you can modify it. A lot of times I may modify it just a little bit just to kind of add a little, a little extra, whatever I want to add, but it doesn't take me long at all. Very powerful, right? So now let's look at the second. So let's say that you want to start creating blog posts, in which we have on our websites. So I can type in here, create a 500-word blog post about the benefits of selling your home in today's market, right? So let's see what it comes up in a few seconds. Selling your home in today's market can be a great decision. I won't read all of it. For many homeowners, the current housing market is strong with low inventory and high demand, leading to higher prices and quicker sales. Here are a few benefits of selling your home in today's market. Boom, done, right? Done. So, again, and what I found in using it over the last 30 days or so, again, some of the information, especially statistics and things like that, you want to do a little bit more investigating just to make sure, because of course it's not perfect, but for the most part, it generates what you need, right? And it's been an amazing tool and time saver for us, and also saved us money to where any kind of quick content that I need to create real quick or come up with, I can do that. It's still generating. I'll go ahead and stop it. So I asked for a 500 word blog post, right? And so the last thing is topic ideas and scripts for reels. So now let's say I don't know what to create reels for, right? I can ask it to create 10 hot topics to create reels about selling your home. Let's see what it comes up with. Boom. There you go. So now you don't even have to pay if you don't want to. You can use this tool to get ideas. And I want to help you guys out. I mean, we have a product where we sell scripts and content, but this tool right here can eliminate that for a lot of you that say, hey, you know what? I'm going to try this tool out. So it just gave us 10. The first one, how to stage your home for maximum appeal to buyers, top home renovation projects, and so on. So now what I can do is say, okay, create a uh, a 15-second script, video script about, what's the first one? Let's see. How to stage your home for maximum appeal buyers. And I also like to add this. Add a let's see, add 2 tips and a call to action. All right, let's see what it comes up with. So now we got our topics. Now for each one of them, we can ask chatgtp to create a short 15 or 20-second video script, right? That we can record and post to our reels. And there you have it. Are you looking to sell your home quickly for top dollar? Then staging is key. Here are 2 quick tips to help you get started. First, declutter and depersonalize your space. This allows potential buyers to visualize themselves in the home. Second, focus on creating a warm and inviting atmosphere by adding a few decorative touches such as fresh flowers or scented candles. Don't wait. Start starting your home today and watch the offers roll in. That's it. So perfect. I would change this up a little bit, and maybe at the end, I would say, was this helpful? Follow me for more tips. That's a call to action. So anyway, y'all like this? If you like this, comment below, yes, or hell yes, right? Any tools, any things that we can use in our business to help us save us time and money, I'm all in for. And I definitely wanted to share this with you. So if you want to comment below, let me know, are you using chatgtp? And again, was this helpful? So as always, take care and take action.